Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today I want to renew this braid. So this is the condition I already have undergrowth. The hair is due for renewing. So again, I always have a story to all my braids. Yeah, today I went out, so maybe probably I didn't go out on time to see if I can fix this hair against the next day, which is work. It turned out that I didn't really come out on time. The salons I met said that they have been booked for that day, no space for me. So I was trying to figure out what I'm going to do to this. I decided to renew the braid, Jerry, because it's quite simple and easy to rebraid. So, but again, parting hair is one of the most difficult thing when you're braiding yourself. Parting the hair is difficult. So instead of me losing all the whole hair down and then start rebraiding it, I started to, use this technique, lose one and rebraid it immediately. So I think it was a bit, but it was easier for me to even finish the hair within a short period of time. So guys, I just want to share this with you all. I hope you love this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's see how it goes. So I've concluded the first one and it's not bad. So I guess I'm doing the same to the rest of the braids. Yeah, I think this is much easier for me. So guys, so this is the final look. It's not bad, it's better now, it's neater. At least I can wear this braid for like a week plus before I think of what next to do to my hair. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.